In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Garmin with Strava. Now, this can be really useful to go and sync your data between Strava and also your Garmin watch. Now, I'm going to show you two different ways on how to do this. So the first method is by heading over to your smartphone and just go and load up the Connect app. Now, once you're on the Garmin Connect app, we can click on More in the bottom right hand side, and then you're going to scroll down this page and click on Settings. Now click on Connected Apps and click on Strava from the list. You can then just agree to the terms and conditions, and you'll need to go and sign in with your Strava account. Once you're signed in, you can go and click on Authorize, and it should now say that you're connected to Strava. You could then scroll down and just make sure the data shared from Connect to Strava, make sure all of these different options are turned on and enabled. Now, if this isn't working, there is a second way to connect your Garmin to Strava as well. So just go and load up the Strava app on your phone and click on You in the bottom right hand side. Click on the settings wheel in the top right and click on Connect an app or device. Now there's a bunch of different smartwatches you can go and connect. Now simply click on Garmin from the list and click on Connect Garmin. It will then take you over to the app. Just scroll down and click on Agree. You can then press Open in Strava, and as you can see, the accounts are now connected. So click on Continue, click on Allow, and click on No Thanks. So that's how to connect your Strava to your Garmin watch. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.